Hey, hi team. Today we're going to connect with Lovable with n8n to automate your, technically to consume your n8n workflows directly in Lovable, right? So first we're going to see how we can connect it. So this is our existing n8n server. So here we have to go to settings in this MCP access. Once you clicked it, you have URL, server URL. So you have to keep the server URL here and then go to access token. So access token, first time it's not visible. So you have to regenerate it and copy it and store it somewhere. I'm showing right now, but I'll change it later. That's fine. So I took my server URL and access token now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to n8n, go to settings. In this integrations, you can able to see lot more there your MCP server. So you can set up n8n here and connect it. So you have to provide your URL here. This is my URL and it asks for a token. It may take a few seconds to load it to ask. Okay. So as I already, logged in, so it's like asking for access. So it's trying to connect it. Yeah. Now it's, connected. So what I'm going to tell is, can you pull all my n8n workflow list here? Okay. I just clicked it. So it is going to load. It may take few minutes to think, but yeah. So I flash your n8n workflows here. I'm just, allowing now. So once I allowed it will take, 10 to 20 seconds to list all my workflows. See, currently if you see, it's telling no workflow, your n8n instance connected, but no workflows are currently available. Typically, because workflows need to be explicitly enabled for MCP. So meaning even though you enabled that, MCP, but that workflow is not enabled for, So here we go. So here if you see, right, enable for MCP access. It's loading. Yeah, just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, I'm just going back here. Yeah. See, if you see here, enable MCP access. So let me go to the flows. Why this is not, enabled for MCP? Because nothing is published, meaning, so nothing is published here. That's why it was not, enabled. And now I actually, one more file is there, which is this is my workflow 4. This is published, so we can enable this actually for n8n. So now I go back, and new list now. So I'm just Lovable to list it. So it is trying to think again. Let's see how this is going to pull up my workflow, which is allowed to list it. So technically, even though you connect MCP with your n8n, you should publish and enable the workflow for MCP access. Then only it will be visible. So that's good thing, right? Yeah, that's what it's doing here. See here, if you see, right now it can be seen that. Yeah, this is what I like to show you guys. I know we'll see it in the next video how we can do better. Bye bye.